Hello everyone. How to replace words in Excel. So let's start some Excel and here you can see I have data. So in this data, in status column, I'm going to replace inactive words. So simply select the column. So I select the entire column. Then use here the control app to open the find and replace dialog box and click on the replace tab. In find what I'm going to find inactive. So enter the same words inactive. Okay. As same as in selected column. Okay. Then I want to replace with active. Okay. So I just enter here active. Replace with active words. Click on the replace all and that's it. All done. We made 4 replacement. Click on OK and close this dialog box and you can see the all inactive words is replaced with the active words. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.